windy as fuck. Woo. Right, so silo ain't working. So he's given us a splash to do, so we can just chuck a mix in. They try. What's that? Slide what in? Oh, sorry, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Sign us in, yeah. Yeah, you can do. Yeah, you might as well. But once we get the silo going, we've got this plot here to jump on. It's got a plinth through the front and just 10 course through the back. Just jumping on this here, putting a splash on here. We're just getting all the profiles out and stands and boards. Slow start. First day always is though. Yeah? Yeah, we're only doing 3 course. Right, let's see how strong this is. Waiting for some bricks, so I'm just putting these 2 profiles on these. We've got 3 courses to do over there, but while we're waiting around I'm going to put some profiles up. When you put this on, you want to try and get it close to what it needs to be before you start. Alright, so that's good there, and that's miles out there, so it's easier to adjust it all when there's no brackets on it. Good there, a little touch more, and then what I want to do is just get it pretty much where it needs to be, which is there. And get this one pretty much where it needs to be, which is there. Put them both in. Done. Right, now I want to get it plumb. Just got a screwdriver and I got that to tighten up and loosen it. Whoop. Alright, so just need a touch to come in. There. I've got a magnetic level, but Amy nicked it off when she's left it. That's good there. Right, let's see if it's square. Right, so it's kicking out this way, so it needs to come in like that, which means this side needs to be pulled round, which means that needs to be tightened. Oh no! Good. Lovely. Amy found my magnetic level, mine.
That's fine.
Which makes it a lot easier for these because you can just clip it on, hold it in place where it needs to be, and then literally you just there just before it starts to pull it, which is about there.
Oh shit.
Can we put my pink profile up.
Oh, the wind just completely knocked that.
You want to bring it?
Look!
Oh. Wind, worst weather to fucking work in. Pings are lying everywhere. Anyway, yeah, when you're doing plinth and you've got a queen closure and you're using your blades, someone told me, I didn't actually know this, so this is something I learned from someone off YouTube myself. Now obviously that ain't going nowhere, you got it there, but you've got no rivets to turn it to. But if you turn it around the other way, like that, then that's how you put it into that perk, like that. Alright, so the muck's just turned up. I've got 4 profiles up, so I've built 4 corners while we're waiting for the muck to come over. I'm going to set out the bond, build the corners. It's only 3 corners, so I'm going to build corner. I'm going to set the bond through, build the corners. Once the corners are built, they're going to come over and run it in, and George is going to carry on loading out for us. I won't finish this corner because I still like to put a line right through the front and square it off properly. Sticky old shit. Lovely. Oh, just lay that one there. Tyler, set me up in that next corner please. Just take these 2 boards here. Plenty of muck still on them. tell. Rough as fuck. Got some piers in the back of these and all. Go around and do the straight first. Some piers to go in the back. So we'll do this and then do all the sides. Set the piers out. Let's have a look. A little bit tight, a little bit big there. They're really tight through here. Perfect. Very big bricks. They're coming up at 220, so. Yeah. Well, we just finished the flash and we went to get some more muck over to start here. Silo's broke. Welcome to the world of bricklaying. We was gonna, there's a movement joint there, we was gonna take it from the movement joint up to there, up to the door reveal over there. Obviously we've got plinth here. The line needs to be set back in. Got a cool little gadget for the Blakes. It's not everyone's cup of tea, but it helps you offset for the plinths, which, you know, is coming well in handy on this plot anyway, because it's obviously not plinth halfway and it is plinth the other half. We're just going to load out. It's something to do with the water pressure. Keeps dropping and it's making loads of dust come out and it's blocking the silo. So we're going to load out for the rest of the day. If we get some muck out, if we sort it out today, if they do, if they ain't sort it out by tonight, I ain't gonna bother coming in tomorrow because it's supposed to be down. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes. This is camera worthy, Tom. This is an apprentice worthy. What do you think you've done wrong there, Tom? What have you done there, Tom? Fuck me.
Just make sure it's
back there, we build the inside with a brick and all.
Make sure it's not moving.
That's all a shame that is for YouTube, mate. Nah, don't tell me what I've done, fuck me. Remember, I'm perfect. Perfect at fuck all.
You forgot your ball tie skis.
No.
Every three you told Tom, yeah? 1, 2, 3. Oh, where are they? Oh, where are they gone? Oh. Fucking quick, quick, put it in. Quick.
That's a sackable fence, that.
Quick, Tom, I'm going to show you that you remember them.
Huh?
Quick. Oh, Tom got his in though, didn't you?
Just finished the call.
Oi, have your hat back and it's slightly mock.
Let's see it.
Sexy, innit? Hang on, let me sort the air out. Fucking brand new boots today, look. Brand new fucking boots.
Clean them up.
Wearing my wellies tomorrow.
I was smart.
Oh, mate.
Oh, is that all?
Disgusting. You better cleaning it in a bit of shit, I reckon. Oh, mate.
There's got to be a hose pipe somewhere. Should we find one?
Nah.
I think there's one behind the
Clean
toilet.
these up now. I'll fucking never wear them again on this side.
That looks disgusting. I got to do that as well.
Oh, mate.
Right.
Right, well, it weren't a great day, to be honest. I think we laid about 900 bricks overall, which ain't great for a 3 and 2, but we didn't get the first tub of muck till 9:30 or 9. Was it 9, 9:30?
I have no idea.
I don't know what time it was, fuck knows. But and then we had trouble with the silo, so we all started loading out for about an hour. So we didn't really get a lot of laying time, in all honesty. We probably had about
4 hours.
4 hours laying time, so it weren't too bad if you look at it like that. But oh fuck off! But yeah, it's just that time of year where you're not going to earn a lot bricklaying. You want to make your money in the summertime.
Oh my god.
Oh, don't tell me he's getting his fucking tyres washed. Oh, thank fuck for that. I waited for 20 minutes. Yeah, it's just that time of year where you're not going to earn a lot from bricklaying. Shit weather, miserable. You know, as long as you've got a good group of people around you, you can have a bit of a laugh. But the money's made in the... What is that? The money's made in the good weather. You've got probably about 9 months of the year when you're on price. When you learn your job, you can make, you know, double what a day worker would earn in 9 months. So, you know, you make your money then, put it away, save a bit, and you'll be fine. You ain't got to stress as long as you know how to look after a bit of your money. Anyway, it's glad to be back today. First day back. Can't remember what I said this morning. I can't. Did I explain why I was off? What was it?
Did.
Yeah. Yeah. But last week it was just too cold to even think about it. And yeah, we thought we'd give it a go today. I thought we was going to get rained off at one point, but we soldiered on, didn't we? Well, Amy went and hid like a little bitch.
Only for about 5 minutes because I'm not well and I don't want to get ill.
I'm melting. I'm made of sugar. I'm so fucking sweet. Oh, anyway.
I'm not well. I don't want to get ill, thank you. I love work, but my health's more important.
Do you fuck?
I do like work.
You like
I like the
working
boss. I like the boss.
me. Anyway,
See ya.
sorry, we didn't video. It was just so windy today. It was just hard to do any videoing really. It's going to be like that for a while, so you have to make do what you got. Alright, anyway, have a good one. I'll see you in tomorrow's.
If it don't rain.
If it don't rain. That fucking Lorraine, she's a bitch. Fucking hate Lorraine.